Query successful. Try again without apps. Are you an Ally Bank customer who needs cash but dreads those pesky ATM fees? It's a common frustration with online-only banks. How do you get your money when there's no physical branch? If you've got an Ally spending or money market account, the answer is simple, and it's all about one key word: Allpoint. Ally is a champion of fee-free banking, and their partnership with the Allpoint ATM network is how they make it happen. You get access to over 55,000 ATMs across the U.S., and every single one is 100% free to use for withdrawals. Knowing how to find and use these machines is the key to unlocking your money easily and without a single surcharge. So, let's walk through the simple, three-step process to successfully withdraw cash from Ally using any Allpoint ATM. Step 1. Find an Allpoint ATM. Before you head out, you need to locate an in-network ATM. You have a few great options for this. First, use the Ally Bank ATM locator on their website or, even better, in the Ally mobile app. This is the most reliable tool, as it specifically shows you both Allpoint and MoneyPass ATMs where your withdrawal will be free. Second, you can use the Allpoint ATM locator tool directly on their website or their mobile app. You'll find these ATMs everywhere you already shop, inside major retailers and convenience stores like Target, CVS, Walgreens, and Speedway. Once you've found a convenient location, it's time for the actual withdrawal. Step 2. The withdrawal process. When you arrive at the ATM, the process is exactly the same as using any other machine. Simply insert your Ally debit card, enter your 4-digit PIN, and select the withdrawal option. Now, here's a critical point that can confuse people. You might see a screen asking about a surcharge. Because the ATM is technically owned by a third party, it might display a message saying you'll be charged a small fee. Do not worry. Ally's partnership with Allpoint means that once the transaction processes, that fee is automatically waived. As long as you confirm the location was on the Allpoint network in Step 1, you can confidently hit Accept or Yes and proceed with your transaction. Select your desired amount, take your cash and your receipt, and you're done. Step 3. Know your limit and reimbursement safety net. 2 final things to keep in mind. First, your withdrawal limit is set by Ally, not the ATM. Standard limits are typically around $1,000 per day, but you should always check your account details in the app if you need a large amount. Second, Ally gives you a powerful safety net. If for some reason you can't find an Allpoint ATM and have to use an out-of-network machine, Ally will automatically reimburse you for up to $10 in ATM fees per statement cycle. It's an extra layer of security that ensures you're never truly stuck without access to your funds. So, to recap, find an Allpoint location using the app, proceed with the withdrawal, even if a fee alert pops up, and enjoy your cash. It's that simple to get fee-free cash whenever and wherever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.